December the 12th, 2018. This is Freewing F-22 90mm. It'll be a test run on the runway, and who knows what'll happen after that. This is my Christmas present for 2018. It was supposed to be delivered around December the 28th, but it got here on the 10th. Motion RC delivered it almost 3 weeks ahead of time. Anyway, yesterday we put it together. Andy, Kenny, Al all came over. We assembled it on the kitchen table. And today is time to take it out.
Get the crate out for you.
Okay, all right. It's a beautiful big airplane.
Yeah. It don't weigh that much compared to the size of it.
It's got wheels big enough to take off in the grass.
Yeah.
Retracts, flaps, the whole works. So far, since they've been released, I haven't seen any local people with a video on YouTube. There was a guy, I think, from the Far East that posted one 2 hours ago. That's in the morning. And he flies off of a narrow road somewhere in China.
It's not that windy, Jack.
Not now, it isn't. Well, I'm going to need just a little bit more. Whoa. Boy, them big wheels helped that right through the grass, didn't it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, sorry, Gus.
Here, buddy.
Didn't see the boy. Look at that headlight. Now, I think I got all my throws set up.
Why is it when you turn the nose here, your ailerons go?
I was doing that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was just putting double input into it.
All right.
On the ground, there, that's full rate on the ground on the rudder.
Oh, that's a beauty.
And it's still, even on full rate, it just barely wants to turn, don't it? I mean, 40 foot. It takes a good 36 foot to turn it. Boy, that is a big airplane. Wheels are narrow. Okay. Yeah. I got too much aileron in it. I am.
Okay. Oh, that looks nice.
I got too much aileron throw and it's on low, so I'll have to trim some of that out. I think my elevator's okay. It's not too active. Now let's see what the flaps do. That's flap 1. That's full flaps. Full flaps make it come down. I'm kind of
You get the flaps up?
jerky. Yeah, I do. Boy, that sucker moves out pretty good, don't it?
Alright, I would start thinking about getting it on the ground because I don't know how long that battery lasts. We'll have to check it.
Right. Now I got the first degree of flaps.
I wouldn't go any more than that on a windy day.
No.
Power off.
It is.
Let it settle. Don't try to fly it in. Let it settle.
Oh, shit. Doggone. Ah. What did I knock off? My landing gear?
Nose gear, I think.
Oh, no kidding.
I mean, nose cone.
Nose cone's over here.
That's landing gear.
The nose one?
Yeah, no, it's the main. It's just the glue came loose.
Oh,
The
okay.
biggie.
All right.
Got a little ding on the wingtip.
Uh-huh.
Nothing bad, nothing major.
Okay. Well, good.
Yeah.
All right. Well, not what I wanted to see.
Put your flaps on.
Yeah. Just like that little one.
Okay.
It did. It felt just like the little one flying around there. I think I'll be able to fly it. Today's probably not the best day.
Yeah. You gonna put it in the truck?
Nah, just sit down here. I want to take the battery out. Yeah, well, I didn't hit the fence, didn't hit the table.
Yeah, whenever you get
Thank you, Lord.
whenever you get like what you had, power jigs around. It was gonna fall, and that was a long way to fall.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, well, hey, thanks.
Yep. Oh yeah, plenty of room in that base station.
Hmm?
You can put a big battery in that one.
Oh, yeah.